Hello and welcome. What is ERP? Definition of ERP. We will learn about this enterprise resource planning. Today's video, let's begin. ERP. E for enterprise, R for resource, and P for planning. Enterprise resource planning. Definition. ERP, Enterprise Resource Planning, is software that helps business manage and integrate all their key operations and data in an unfinished system. In simple words, an ERP, Enterprise Resource Planning System, is a type of software that helps business manage and organize all their important activities in one place. This includes things like accounting, human resources, sales, manufacturing, and supply chain management. It makes sure that all parts of the business can easily share information, work together smoothly, and keep track of everything efficiently. Let's see some example of ERP system. SAP, Oracle ERP Cloud, Microsoft Dynamics 365, Infor, Epicor. Thank you for watching.